Hey guys, a video I made last night with sale. I bet you guys, if you have a Zippo, is trying to know how to do the tricks. And please leave a comment telling me to make a video of whatever you want. Can't be something that I don't have. Here's my army Zippo. First I'll show you Twilight Zone. It's when I took away the flame and put it back. First thing you have to do is I have to turn on the micro focus. See the wick? Bend that to the side. That's the first thing that you do. And then second thing, it's off. You just gotta light it. Like this, rub your hand. Oh, actually bend it back. Rub your hand over it. See it. Sometimes it messes up. It took me like 10 takes last night until I got it right. Yeah, this gets annoying sometimes. Ouch, ouch. Oh, I was just about to. There you go. That's how to do Twilight Zone. And, yeah. Now here's how to do that. This is that flip thingy. I thought it looked hard whenever I did it. You can tell me right now it looks hard. All you gotta do, put 2 fingers right here, your index finger in the middle, put them right here, then your thumb, put right there. You gotta squeeze hard and let your thumb slide, and go like this, and while you're doing it, you have to flip. This. Oops. So that's it. And the last trick I did in that video was when I threw it up in the air and I caught it in my hand with the flame going. This thing is hard to do. You have to keep trying to throw it up and catch it the right way. And catch it like this. Yeah. And it's scary to do because you don't want it to fall. It's on fire. This one is. Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, it takes a lot of takes until you get it right. And I picked up my Army Zippo at the outdoor show for only 10 bucks. I love Zippos. They're awesome. Hut. It worked. Watch the other video before you watch this one, because this one, Twilight Zone, that was awesome. Now it's just gonna be video with music on tricks.